do shape today? Do Purple, purple, and orange, and pink. Pink with the pin. That was that's okay. Okay. Sugar! Sugar! One tango. And that's about tango too. Oh. Key. What's that again now? What's that again now? Triangle! Triangle! Okay. What's that you do now? What's that banana? I do now. Pentagon. It goes right here. It goes right there. Wait, take that one. Oh no! Take you for watching. Take you for watching. Bye. You're doing shapes today. You're doing shapes today. We're doing shapes today. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square, pentagon. And take off the pentagon. Square. Triangle, orange. Okay. I should have put the circles on. Okay. Rectangle. Triangle. They have 3 sides. Okay. Yeah, it's a pentagon. They have 5 sides. The square has 4 sides. Come on down, do my shapes. See you next time.